Most of us know someone who's left-handed, or maybe you're that person, the one awkwardly high-fiving people from the wrong direction and battling with scissors designed by a clearly right-handed overlord. But have you ever wondered, what about animals? Can they be left-handed too? Well, sort of. But let's clear up one thing first. In animals, we don't usually say handedness because, well, not every animal has hands. Scientists use the term lateralization, which is a fancy way of saying they show a preference for one side of their body over the other. Basically, left pod, right pod, wing-favored, or tentacle-twisty behavior. Nature's own version of which side are you on. Turns out, a lot of animals show this kind of preference. Parrots, for example, have a favorite foot they use to pick things up. Kangaroos often prefer their left hand for tasks like grooming and eating. Even fish show lateralization. Some species tend to turn more often in one direction when avoiding predators, which is adorable until you realize a shark might be predicting their next move based on how indecisive they are at turning left. Now, here's where it gets weirder. Just like humans, some species show a population-level bias, meaning most individuals in that species lean the same way. In humans, about 90% of people are right-handed. In kangaroos, a whopping majority are lefties. And cuttlefish? They've been observed favoring a particular tentacle when grabbing prey. So yes, even squishy, alien-like sea creatures might have a dominant side. But here's the twist. We don't fully know why this happens. In humans, some researchers think handedness is connected to how our brains are wired. Our left hemisphere controls the right side of our body, and vice versa. That cross-wiring seems to play a role in things like speech and motor skills, so evolution may have just picked a side and stuck with it. But animals don't necessarily have language in the same way we do, so their lateralization probably evolved for different reasons. Maybe it helps them multitask, like scanning for predators while eating, or maybe it helps them fight better or flirt better. The point is, lateralization seems to offer some kind of evolutionary advantage. And it's not just a human quirk, it's a biological trend that's popped up across the animal kingdom in surprisingly consistent ways. So being a lefty isn't weird, it's actually kind of wild. Thanks for watching.